Hello my beauty of the world, I hope everyone is fine. Today I'm going to show you a Eid makeup look. So first step, as you know, it's preparing your skin. So I already moisturized my skin and I also did my eyebrow. So now I'm going to mix two products. One is liquid foundation and another is liquid highlighter. It's give you soft, fresh and natural glow skin. So now I'm going to apply little by little the product on my face and with my brush I will blend it. To have a more natural finishing, I use little sponge and I'm going to tap very softly everywhere. Then I'm going to use the concealer, just a little, not too much. So this time I'm not going to use full coverage concealer. Actually, you don't need it every time you do your makeup, especially when you want to do a no makeup look or to have a glow or natural skin. Also apply the concealer on darker zone of my skin, like the contour of my nose and my lips. And with sponge, I'm just tapping little by little and blending it. So you can see how my skin is glowing. So now I'm going to fix every product that I used before. So I'm going to apply the loose powder, not everywhere, just under the eyes, under the cheekbones, nose, lips and forehead. So I apply baking powder just after the loose powder. It gives a more natural look. Going to apply just under my eyes where I apply the concealer and under the cheekbones and forehead. I just leave for a few seconds and after I remove all the powder with my brush. Okay, now it's done, the skin makeup. I didn't forget the blush because I will apply it just after my eye makeup. For the eyes makeup, I will just apply 2 or 3 eyeshadow and a thin cat eyeliner. So first I start with my brown eyeshadow and I will apply on the crease and I blend it. Now I'm going to draw the line with the brown eyeshadow. It's a thin line from half of end of eyelid to the crease. I use eyeshadow as a base before doing the eyeliner with the product because it allows to glide better. Same on lower eyelid, but I will not follow my natural eyelid line. I'm drawing the line under the eyelid and join it with upper line. This is how it's look like. And I'm doing just a little thin line on the inner corner of the eye. I blend it softly on under and upper line with my pencil brush. With the gel eyeliner, I go over the line that I just drew with eyeshadow. bit thicker on the end of the line. To give more contrast, I used black eyeshadow on lower eyelid that I create, not on my natural eyelid. And I blend it very softly. With a thin cotton swab, I corrected the line. This thin cotton swab, it's very nice. It's very helpful to have a very beautiful wing. And look how it gives. So now I'm applying lashes by following the eyeliner line. I apply black pencil under the eyelid line, and after I'm going to apply black eyeshadow on the line of the lashes to hide it. I apply a neutral eyeshadow as a base before applying shimmer eyeshadow. So I prefer applying shimmer eyeshadow after finishing my eyeliner, because if I did it before, the eyeliner will not apply properly. Okay, now I apply the shimmer eyeshadow only on the middle of eyelid to give a hollow eye look. And I'm going to blend it by tapping softly. And just remove all fallen eyeshadow very nicely. And to give more bright, I apply a shimmer eyeshadow on inner corner of lower eyelid. So I did contouring, but I will not explain you in this video because I'll do another video only about contouring and highlighting. And now I apply the blush on full cheekbones, nose and temple for a fresh look. I use a shimmer eyeshadow as a highlighter, yes, as a highlighter, only upper the cheekbone, on the tip of the nose and temple. Lips, I do a ombre lipstick. First, I do the contour with a deep purple lip pencil. Then I blend it with lips brush. Now I apply jumbo white pencil as a base to create a beautiful ombre lipstick. I blend it, and after I apply another lipstick in same color but different shade. And finally, I apply a lip gloss just on the center of my lips to give more bright. And voila! I hope you like it, and don't forget to support me. Take care and see you next time. Got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even